me. Where can I go Halapayan?
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Halapayan. What? Come. I think I lost my way. What?
I love you.
Where can I go Halapayan? What? How many minutes can I go there?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. So can I go straight this way? This way?
Oh.
Okay. So what's your name?
Gia.
JR. Okay. Halapayan over there.
Oh.
Okay, sige. Yan mo lahos ako to. Lahos ako. Idol. Siasa ka. Idol ka. Kaman to ilatan. Ilatan ba?
Lalo na hat.
Lagnano. Kailangan to. May speaker.